I would like to take the opportunity to introduce you to the certified instructors of Empower, Achieve, Succeed through Self-Mastery Masterclass. Through this mindset and methodology, you are able to be the observer of your own thinking, patterns, fears, and judgments. The 7 principles are tools that we already possess to keep us on the task of how we think, observe our logic, and understand what motivates our actions. We learn to walk through life conscious of what we say, think, feel, and do. Does this resonate with you? Then take one of our master classes located in the United States, the UK, Africa, or just seek us out online. We are ready to work with you.